In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Steam, easy. If you are brand new to buying games on Steam or just want a smoother checkout with PayPal, this walkthrough will make the process clear and stress-free from start to finish. First, open Steam. You can use the desktop app or the website, just make sure you are signed in to your account so your purchase ends up in the right library. Once you are in, head to the store. Browse or search for the game you want and take a moment to confirm details like your operating system, language support, and any regional restrictions. If the game has multiple editions or optional DLC, select exactly what you want, then click Add to Cart. Your cart icon will update so you know it's there. Next, proceed to checkout. Click Purchase for myself if you are buying the game for your own library. Choose Purchase as a gift if you want to send it to someone else. This keeps the game out of your library and lets you deliver it digitally to a recipient during checkout. Either way, you'll land on the payment screen here. Select your payment method, open the drop-down menu and choose PayPal, then click Continue. If you have Steam Wallet funds, Steam will automatically apply them first and use PayPal for the remaining balance. That's normal and helps you use up any credits you already have. Click it, the redirect is expected. You are moving to PayPal's checkout for added security. If a window doesn't appear, check for a pop-up blocker and allow the Steam checkout. Now log in to your PayPal account in that window. Review the amount and currency carefully before you authorize the payment. If you use a specific funding source, such as a balance or a linked card, confirm it's selected correctly. When everything looks right, approve the payment. You'll then be sent back to Steam automatically. To finalize your purchase, wait for Steam to confirm the order. Don't close the window until you see the confirmation page. If you purchased for yourself, the game will appear in your library and can start downloading right away. If you bought it as a gift, Steam will guide you to send it to the recipient. You should also receive a purchase confirmation by email, and the transaction will show up in your account's purchase history. That's it. Thanks for watching.